Begin this exercise near a wall in a quadruped position with your knees on the ground under your hips and your hands underneath your shoulders. Raise one arm up and place it on the wall with a towel. Push into the wall with your arms straight out from shoulder height. Perform different motions in reference to a clock for the prescribed amount of reps. Now you should feel your shoulder muscles working with this exercise. Keep your back flat and maintain the quadruped position in the rest of your body.